Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to do a review on WRITEME. Now it's an AI content writing assistant and I'm going to look at it and the pros and cons, and it's really a good app for us to use. Now if you're tired of staring at a blank screen, because we all know that writer's block can be a real drag, then what if we use a tool that could help you get those creative juices flowing again? That's where WRITEME comes in. WRITEME AI-powered writing assistant is designed to help you write faster and better, whether you're working on a blog post, an email, or even a novel. Was it worth the hype? Let's see. Whether you're tackling writer's block or need to speed up your writing, WRITEME is here to help. It takes your raw content ideas and turns them into polished pieces. Blog posts, emails, social media captions, you name it, WRITEME can generate them. Consider it your personal writing assistant, always ready with a helping hand. It's like having a creative partner who never sleeps. Can you imagine that? Plus, it is AI to learn and adapt to your style, so the more you use it, the better it gets. Now, WRITEME is a brainchild of Siddharth Yasufi, a dad actually. Siddharth Yasufi. He is a visionary who's passionate about making the content. Sorry, I don't know if he or she, it's a he, I believe. He's a visionary who's passionate about making the content writing process easier. He saw a need for AI writing tools that could truly help people create quality content with just a few clicks, and he did. So what are the top benefits of WRITEME? You have auto-generate killer content, refine AI-generated content, write long-form content with ease, get creative with multiple output versions, write high-quality content quickly. Best features of WRITEME. What makes it stand from the cloud is that you can chat with WRITEME AI. You can also polish your masterpiece to perfection in every detail. And the typos and grammar errors can make even the best writing look sloppy. So WRITEME beauty editor catches those pesky mistakes so you can present your work with confidence. It's like having a proofreader in your pocket, refining AI-generated content for you. You can smoothly manage all your writing projects. You have unlimited free new lines version at no extra cost. Also generate excellent content. And when it comes to pricing, let's look at the pricing. We have the pay as you go. We pay go, we have the freelance, we have the agency, and we have the enterprise. The pay go is free, and the freelance $10 per month. Agency plan is $25 per month, and this price plan is $50 per month. So I could say for little freelance station in every plan. It doesn't cost you an arm and a leg for fresh new line suggestions. So let's look at the pros and the cons. For the pro, it's easy to use. You can write lots of different things, saves you time, doesn't cost a lot, and writes pretty well. For the cons, it can make mistakes, it might not be super creative, and you might use it end up using it too much, depending on it. So if you're looking for alternatives for WRITEME, we have Jasper, Copy AI, WriteSonic, and Writer, RYTR Writer. So each tool has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth exploring a few to see which one fits your writing style and needs. So we'll flip everything on WRITEME AI. Let's see if we can sign up. Try for free. I really like this. Really nice. Let's sign in with our email, and then going to put in your password. So if you just create the password, option is for signing in. So since we are signing in, we want to sign up with the option for sign up. Whoa, there's no option for sign up. Wow, this is something. Let's click on sign in and say to give us option for sign up. Account is input. Alright, so I knew, okay, so I'm going to click on register for the account at the top there. So, we're going to put in our first name, then put in our last name, and then click on continue, put in our email, click on continue, and now let's select all. Want to verify we're human, which is serious. Alright, click on verify, and continue. Give verification code down to input, please see. Verification code, I haven't gotten it yet. So far, no verification code. Waiting. I see checking verification code, but not forget it when I put it in. So in the meantime, while we are waiting for verification code, I'm not sure I sent just everything. You can also chat with her. Clicking on this chat box here, you can chat with support bots that are asking a question, which is really good. So we're still waiting for the code. Something must be wrong, they haven't sent the code till now. I guess we'll have to, we'll be able to create an account since we can't verify. And there's no option for us to click for it to send it again. What's my final verdict about it, okay? My final thoughts on it. Okay, I'll tell you that if you're looking for an AI writing tool that is easy to use, affordable, and actually helps you write better, then absolutely, this is a great choice. It's beneficial for anyone who creates content. So, give it a try and let us know how it went. See you in the next video. Bye for now.